Are you looking for a way to make money online? Now you're searching all over the internet and you're checking YouTube, but it seems like you can kind of find a way to do so. Now in this video, I want you to watch it all the way to the end because I'm going to be talking about how you can earn $50 in 60 minutes fast at home. So you can earn $50 in 60 minutes fast just working from home. Now this doesn't require any money. It only going to require you your time. So that's what I'm going to share with you because I know there's a lot of people that are very skeptical, especially if you're brand new. You've seen all these people making money, but for some reason in the back of your mind, it's not possible. And I'm going to share with you in this video that this is real and you can make money without spending any money. Now, this is not going to get you super duper rich. However, it could add up over time and it could pay a little bills here and there. But if you're looking for a way how you can make a lot more money and you're looking for a skill, I highly recommend you check out the first link in the description where you can learn that skill, apply it, and then you can make lots of money and life-changing income. So again, in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can earn $50 in 60 minutes fast, right? Like super fast. Now, I'm going to share with you some tools and things that require you to make this money. Now, if it's your brand, if it's your brand new, if it's your first time here to my YouTube channel, my name is Andre. I talk about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and just different ways so I can share my knowledge with you so you can go out there and you could crush it. So for my regulars, happy to have you here. It's always good to see you, coming back and commenting and liking my videos. So feel free to share it. If you're brand new, let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. Now, I'm going to dive into things right away. So earn $50 in 60 minutes fast working at home. Now, the things that you're going to need, the first thing you want to do, you want to hop over to Skype. Skype is absolutely free. You could do this. You could download Skype on your phone, and you can also do it on your computer. So head on over to Skype.com because what I'm going to share with you will require you to use Skype. So download it. It is absolutely free. Once you sign up, put your email address, put your name in, make sure you put your country and all that. And once you have it on your device, that's one tool that you're going to need. The next thing you have to do, you want to make sure that you have PayPal. If you don't have a PayPal account, you need to get one. If PayPal is restricted in your country, I do apologize, but for this video, it's going to require you to have a PayPal account. So sign up for PayPal, and if you have somebody in another country, family or something, and if PayPal doesn't work, and if you trust them for them to collect your payment and then send it back to your home country, that is up to your own will. I am not encouraging you, but I've seen people done it before. So you could do that if you're trying to find another way how to channel your money through. So earn $50 in 60 minutes fast. Download Skype, download PayPal. Now the website that I'm going to share with you is a website that is called Testing Time. Now Testing Time is a great website. They recruit test users. So usability, focus group, interviews, surveys, and more. So they test with people from their growing pool of over 300,000 plus individual. So choose a date and a time and we can deliver in 48 hours. This is if people would like to calculate the price, if they're looking for people to work on some huge projects like testing websites, testing apps, and sometimes they're going to need you on a Skype call. So as I mentioned before, Skype is definitely something that you need for this, and make sure you download it. So if you would like to become a tester, all you have to do is just go all the way up here, you click on become a tester, and you can look here. So you test products at home via Skype or on a site with customers. So you can earn $50 per hour. And this is in euro. So if you calculate 50, by the time shooting this video, you're looking over $55 and change just per hour. So once you apply for this, you're well in the bag. Now, they're not going to send tests like every so often, but once you do get the test, they're going to send it to your email. Make sure you get it done, do it correctly, follow the instructions, and you shouldn't have a problem. So you're like one of the first people to test your future products and have opportunities to improve, to improve them. So let's say something huge, let's say Snapchat was coming out, Snapchat or Instagram. What they do, they look for a ton of people all over the world and they will send out these tests. Now, you get to see before everybody else. So you get to try, you get to be a tester, as we call it, the guinea pig. And then once you do your test and you complete what it is that they're looking for, then they will pay you $50 per hour. So as you can see right here, take a break from something new. We guarantee variety, fun, and extraordinary experience. So you put your full name, or you can put your first name, put your email address, and then you can become a tester. And if you scroll down here, what's in it for you? Earn money testing digital products. And if you don't know what digital products are, as I mentioned, these are websites, these are apps, things that you could use that you cannot hold in your hand. So it can be done via Skype. As I mentioned, you're gonna need to have Skype or in person with a client. So sometimes they want you to meet up with a specific client at a coffee shop, or you go to an office just to do the test and everything. And once that is complete, you'll be well on your way. So help shape the future of products you use. So get first to test new apps, websites, as I mentioned earlier. Try something fun and different. So why should you join? This is like the big question most of you probably wondering right now. So this is a great way how you can make money. Once you start to make money, then you could take that money and then invest it and learn a skill such as affiliate marketing, e-commerce, other different platforms, drop shipping, network marketing, whatever it is. So once you start making money and you realize that, all right, this internet money is a real deal, then you could take that, you could save your money here, or invest whatever it is that you make, or you could make money at your job and then invest it inside of your business. So why should you join? Our customers are looking for a wide range of people, no matter what age, education, computer skills. You make a difference. A typical study takes anywhere from like 30 to 90 minutes. So you can make $50 and there will be someone on Skype. So if you're shy, this is something that's going to get you out of your comfort zone, right? Never done this before. It's not a problem. So just think out loud and just be yourself. Be normal. Just hop on Skype. It's not like somebody's going to jump through Skype and, and say, hey, come here. You don't have to. You just got to, step out of your comfort zone a little bit. I always tell people, if you need to get something done and if you want a different results, you got to do something different. So this could be your challenge, but it's important to be reliable and punctual. So the customers are relying on you. Don't show up late for these people, right? Don't show up late, because then it's going to be a bad reputation, and then guess what? It's going to be tough, man, to even get another gig from them. So you sign up with testing with time, accept the test job, test and get paid. So once complete, you get paid within 10 days or even less, right? So become a tester, click on here to become a tester. And this is what it looks like. You put your first name, put your last name, where you were born, make sure this is correct. Available countries. If you scroll through here, you'll find your country. I see there's Japan, there's Jamaica, Italy, Israel, Ireland, right? Lithuania, Madagascar. So make sure you put your time zone, postcode, and then you click next. So there's like a 4-step process that you need to fill out. So make sure the information is correct. You do all the tests on these apps, on these websites, and you can make $50. Now, another great website that you can go is utest.com. So utest.com. Once you go on here, you see the project boards. So if you click on the project board, this is like, there's some worldwide stuff, and they're looking for, are you a professional in computers? So they're going to post different tests and groups that they're looking for people. Sometimes They will need people in specific countries as well. If you have access to these cars, whatever type of cars that they're looking for, and they want people to do all the tests. So if you scroll through here, this project for rideshare drivers, this is like worldwide. So rideshare is something new that are coming out where you can get 100% of the commission. I've heard about that. This just launched a couple days ago. So we're looking for community members worldwide that are currently rideshare to participate in a paid testing project. So once you do that, it's an ongoing project they're looking for. They're going to be posting a lot more different things. There's articles, there's forums, and all you have to do is just sign up. Once you sign up, you just click over here. You're not a member yet, you sign up, and then you'll be good to go. So as I mentioned, you're going to earn $50 in like 60 minutes fast at home. And once you start to make money, then you can then invest it into something good. As I mentioned before, this is not going to get you super rich. However, I have some great videos on my website that you can come over here and you could check it out like right away. So check these out. Lots of videos and different tips and tricks and hacks that I'm sharing with you that you can go out there and you can use. So make sure you like, subscribe, become a part of the family if you're brand new. And for my regulars, happy to have you here. Just wanted to share this video with you so you can go out there and you can start earning money right away. My name is Andre. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.